In this exercise, we will generate different tones in piezo speaker. Part 1, the circuit. 1. Connect the positive pin of the buzzer into digital pin 8 of the Arduino Uno. To know the positive pin of the buzzer, look for the plus sign found on the head of the buzzer. 2. Connect the negative pin of the buzzer to the GND pin of Arduino. Part 2, the code. 1. Open the Arduino software IDE. Go to top left corner of the Arduino IDE window and click File New. This action opens up a new coding editor window for a new project. 2. Type the Arduino code to your Arduino IDE. 3. Click Verify button to review code for errors. If the code has no errors and the missing commands, a message on the window below will display Done compiling. This means your code is ready to be uploaded into the Arduino microcontroller board. 4. Click Upload button to upload the Arduino code to the Arduino microcontroller board. The program starts to play the tones that we put in the tones array. 10 tones will be played simultaneously with a 1-second delay after the last tone. The program plays back the first tone after the last tone. Thank you.